Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I do homemaking, cleaning motivation, and decorating videos, and I would love for you to join my small but growing YouTube community. Today I set the timer for 1 hour and got as much cleaned and picked up as I possibly could get done during that time frame. And as you can see, I have several candles I need to store away, and I just have random stuff everywhere in my house right now. And I had cooked a huge meal from scratch that left me with so many dishes, so I'm just ready to get this mess cleaned up and the house back in order. I did want to mention before I moved on, if you are feeling anxious or overwhelmed, I just wanted to encourage you to reach out, contact a friend, family member, someone from your local church, just anyone that you trust, and don't be afraid to talk it out with them. I think community can be so powerful, especially during times like these. I also wanted to encourage you to be a light in your own community. Reach out to your friends, family, neighbors, employees, and let them know that you're there for them in a time of need. Even if you're not able to help out financially, but you can be a listening ear via phone call or text message, because of course we definitely want to abide by the guidelines and practice social distancing. But like I said, even just a text message or phone call, or maybe download Zoom and have a group chat with your family or your girlfriends, whatever you have to do to uplift your spirits, definitely do those things. Don't be afraid to reach out and ask others how they're doing as well. And for those of you who are feeling unmotivated to do those household chores, hopefully this video can help you get that motivation that you need. Let's do this together. Set your timer to 1 hour or even just 20 minutes, and let's clean and or pick up areas of your home that need to be tended to together. Okay, y'all, I just stopped the dishwasher really quick because I wanted to show you, in case you didn't know, a good way to keep these clean and sanitized. Your dish brush is just stick it into the dishwasher and it'll wash and sanitize with your other dishes.
We're living quick in the world, gotta get it right now. Out of use. Now every day, every night, every moment with you, I'm walking on air. And every day, every way, I feel I can't lose. I wanna shout it out, ain't no limit. I wanna shout it out to the world. You got me all worked up, got me spinning. I'm crazy for love. Crazy for love, crazy for love, crazy for love.
wanted to use this opportunity to utilize the comment section below to bring our online community together and encourage one another and bring some positivity into these 16 minutes that we have together during this video. Comment below a story that has touched your heart during this time. For example, I've seen some of the younger generation really step up and serve some of the older generation during this time, and it has just touched my heart to the point of tears. I want to hear some of y'all's stories, so please post in the comments below some sweet things that you've seen. And if you don't really have a story, I would love to hear some of your favorite quotes or scriptures that talk about hope and perseverance.
Sin is beautiful with you and me. I wanna shout it out, ain't no limit. I wanna shout it out to the world. You got me all worked up, got me spinning. I'm crazy for love, crazy for love, crazy for. You know I'm crazy for, crazy for love, crazy for. You know I'm crazy for,
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost.
I would love to hear in the comments what you've been doing to keep yourself grounded, and also some things that you've been doing to keep entertained. The only thing I ask is that you please stay positive. I know there's enough negative to go around times 1,000 right now, so I just want to keep this particular space positive during this video, but I would love to hear what you're doing during these times to keep positive and encouraged.
Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
All right, y'all, so I had put all of the items that were on the counter on the table. So now I just need to take all these items, put them in the proper place, and wipe down the table.
I never knew love could be so sweet. I never knew it would sting. I never knew love like this would leave me in pieces. Oh, heavenly, when did
So my living room really isn't a huge mess right now. I mean, I have my laptop out and some pillows and throw blankets are all out of order, and we have such a large couch. It's the first thing your eyes are drawn to whenever you walk in the living room. And so to see the pillows and blankets scattered just makes the entire living room seem messy and unorderly. So I'm gonna straighten this all up and do some vacuuming. But if you're not already subscribed, I wanted to encourage you to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you get notified when I post my next video. Because for some of you with a detailed eye, you might notice there's a lot of clutter going on in my fireplace with the decor. The reason being is I got some things for Christmas and my birthday, and I kind of just shoved it all onto the fireplace from top to bottom, so it's very cluttered right now, and I need to take everything down and restyle it, and that's something that I'm actually going to be doing in a future video that will be coming out soon. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell.
When you leave and close my door, oh
I also need to rearrange my pillows on the couch. There's really no order to them, so I just need to get my living room situated and restyled, not just for spring, but in general. I need to get this living room orderly and restyled.
I've been waiting all my life for someone like you, like you. I would watch the days go by, wasted and blue. I was out of use. Now every day, every night, every moment with you, I'm walking on air. And every day, every way, I feel I can't lose. I wanna shout it out, ain't no limit. I wanna shout it out to the world. You got me all worked up, got me spinning. I'm crazy for love, crazy for love, crazy for whenever lost, whenever down.
All right, y'all, so that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope no matter where you're at right now, that you know that you are not alone. Reach out to your community if you need help, and reach out to your community to see who needs help from you as well. We all have something to offer, whether it's big or small. And of course, make sure that you are abiding by the guidelines. Thank you so much for watching today. If you would like to see more videos like this in the future, please hit that subscribe button and join my growing YouTube community. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you're notified when my next videos come out. See you next time.